Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Dr. Borg's easy method for making rootery yogurt at home. First, gather your ingredients: organic half and half rootery tablets, and optionally, inulin powder for a thicker consistency. It's crucial that your half and half is at room temperature to prevent shocking the culture. If using tablets, crush them thoroughly into a fine powder. Next, combine your room temperature half and half with the crushed rootery powder. If you're using inulin, add it now too. Whisk everything together very well until there are no clumps. Then, pour the mixture into your yogurt maker. Set the temperature to 99 degrees Fahrenheit and let it incubate for 36 to 48 hours for optimal fermentation. Hey everyone, if you're finding these yogurt making tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? Imagine listening to your favorite tunes or setting timers hands-free while you're in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the fermentation is complete, carefully remove your yogurt from the maker and place it in the refrigerator. Chilling it for several hours will help it set and develop its final texture. Don't worry if your first batch is a bit thinner. Using some of it as a starter for your next batch often yields a thicker result. Enjoy your fresh, probiotic-rich yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.